Mercedes-Benz is known for comfort, elegance, and innovation. But beyond luxury and design, modern Mercedes vehicles hide a complex network of intelligent technologies working silently in the background. Systems designed to anticipate danger, protect components, adapt to driving conditions, and improve comfort, often without the driver even noticing. Today, we explore the hidden Mercedes technologies most owners already have, but rarely understand or fully use. If you enjoy discovering how modern cars really work, subscribe to the channel. Every episode reveals hidden technologies most drivers never hear about. And stay until the end, because I'll reveal 3 Mercedes bonuses: a hidden system that protects the engine after driving, a safety function that activates before you react, and a dashboard warning that many drivers misunderstand. Mercedes Intelligent Drive is not a single system. It's a network of cameras, radars, sensors, and control units constantly analyzing the environment. The car evaluates traffic flow, road geometry, vehicle behavior around you, lanes markings, even when faded, and potential hazards far beyond what the driver can immediately see. Most owners think assistance systems only activate in emergencies. In reality, Mercedes systems are constantly active, quietly adjusting the car's behavior in real time. Mercedes Adaptive Cruise Control doesn't just maintain distance. It anticipates traffic behavior. The system slows before curves, adapts speed when approaching slower vehicles, reacts smoothly in traffic jams, and can bring the car to a complete stop, then restart automatically. Many drivers disable it after one use, not realizing how refined and predictive it actually is. Mercedes Active Brake Assist works silently in the background. It monitors vehicles ahead, pedestrians and cyclists, cross traffic at intersections, sudden stops. If a collision risk is detected, the system warns the driver, pre-charges the brakes, and if necessary, applies braking automatically. In many cases, the driver never realizes how close an accident actually was. In higher-end Mercedes models, suspension systems don't just react, they predict. Using forward-facing cameras, the car scans the road surface ahead: bumps, dips, uneven asphalt. The suspension adjusts each wheel individually before reaching the obstacle, creating an exceptionally smooth ride. At highway speeds, the car automatically lowers itself to improve stability, reduce drag, and increase efficiency. MBUX is often seen as just a voice assistant or infotainment system. In reality, it controls a large part of the vehicle's behavior. Hidden functions include context-aware suggestions, learning driver habits over time, adaptive climate responses, custom shortcuts and gestures, advanced vehicle settings buried deep in menus. Most owners use less than 30% of MBUX's real capabilities. Mercedes monitors subtle driving inputs, steering corrections, pedal behavior, lane position. When patterns suggest fatigue, the system warns the driver, sometimes before they realize it themselves. This is not a timer-based reminder. It's behavior analysis. Mercedes lighting systems actively shape light in real time. They create shadow zones around other vehicles, adjust brightness based on speed and weather, follow steering input, and illuminate road edges without blinding others. In some markets, digital light can even project guidance symbols onto the road. Most drivers leave these systems in basic automatic mode, never experiencing their full intelligence. Pre-Safe is one of Mercedes' most advanced and least understood systems. Before an impact, the car can tighten seat belts, adjust seat positions, close windows and sunroof, prepare airbags, optimize braking pressure. All of this can happen before the collision occurs, often without any warning sounds. Modern Mercedes engines manage temperature dynamically. Cooling systems adapt based on driving style, engine load, outside temperature, recent driving intensity. After aggressive driving, cooling continues even after stopping, protecting turbochargers, oil, and engine components. Many drivers turn off the engine immediately, unaware that the car is still protecting itself. Bonus 1. Post-drive engine protection. Mercedes keeps internal systems active after shutdown to protect expensive components. This extends engine life without the driver doing anything. Bonus 2. PRE-safe sound. In certain situations, Mercedes emits a brief sound to prepare your ears for impact. reducing potential hearing damage during an accident. Bonus 3. Misunderstood warning light. Some yellow warnings indicate temporary system limitations caused by weather, dirt, or sensor conditions, not mechanical failures. Mercedes vehicles are not just luxury cars. They are intelligent machines constantly working to protect, assist, and adapt, often invisibly. Now you know the hidden Mercedes technologies most owners never fully understand. In the next episode, we'll uncover another brand and reveal what your car has been doing all along.